So today I'm going with a heat-free hairstyle. So I'm going to be using the Mega Volume Heat and Pedro mist. So it's going to give my hair more of a va-va-voom. I'm just going to apply it throughout. So definitely I don't want to put heat into my hair today. One, I don't have time. And two, just every now and then I like to try something different out of the ordinary. So already I have naturally straight hair, but you can see that it's giving it a little bit of texture. Look at that, it's so cute. So usually I put my hair up into a claw clip, but this is gonna help prevent it from getting flat throughout the day, because remember I have super straight hair and I can already feel it getting more thick and voluminous. So yeah,